let's learn how to import your Figma design to DhiWise. Figma is a powerful design tool to create websites, apps, logos, and much more. To import the design from Figma to DhiWise, first, we will create a new application from the dashboard. Here, we will select Web as we are building a React app. Then, give the application a name and select React Web App in the technology. Here, we will connect Figma account to DhiWise and log into your Figma account and provide basic access to DhiWise. Now, your account is added successfully. And from here, you can add multiple accounts and select any account from the drop-down list. Also, if you use someone else's private Figma, then you will get a 404 error. Then, select the Figma account and below, paste the Figma URL of the website design file. And create a new app. Here, we will select the pages from which we wish to build the web app. For this lesson, we will select all the pages and click on Submit. Here, it will take a few seconds for the design to be successfully fetched. As DhiWise identifies all the UI components in the Figma design file and fetches them to the Pages feature, where you can access all the pages, refresh your Figma file, set home screen, and more. And that's how you can successfully create a React app using your Figma design in DhiWise.